Go.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're joined by Swade Barrett, aka Elastic Man. May hear a
No,
few
negative,
creak,
negative.
who is an extreme contortionist. Welcome, brother. Because we
Welcome.
got to get into
Thank
this
you,
because
thank
I
you.
understand the afraid already.
All right, so before we get talking, I want to see what you can do. So let's take it away first.
Yes.
I want to see all the good stuff, and then we're gonna come back and have a quick chat. All right?
Yeah, man.
All right, here we go. Take it away. Let me run off, give you some space. I don't want you to kick me. You know? Aye. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Look here.
goodness. Oh my goodness.
Me never do this. Wasting my time? Eh? Hold on, wait. Let me do the interview first. I'll close off with it. First of all, how did you get into doing this?
Well, from I was smaller, I only had one style. So I kept practicing, seeing some other contortionists on these TV shows, and I kept practicing, imitating their styles, till my styles developed and I just create my own thing, till I just turn it into a routine and start doing it professional.
Do you need to have any broken bones to get into the no, serious question. Is it are you super flexible? Can anybody train to do this or is you have to have special bones and special cuz
Oh, she's speechless.
Now
Well,
we're-
you could train to do it, but it takes years. Yeah, it takes years.
so
I
you-
can actually dislocate my hand.
so you are dislocating your shoulders.
Yeah, I can just like, oh, look.
No, 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 no.
Don't do it now. Don't do it. Don't do it,
No,
man.
you know what's interesting about this is that he'll be showcasing his talent on the new season of America's Got Talent.
Really?
So, yes, man.
What?
So
So
tell us about that. Tell us about that journey.
when can we see that?
Well, you can see it this March, this spring coming up. I was like, tourists when I was in the hotel, tourists keep encouraging me to join. So I just submitted my video online on their website, and they contacted me back and told me that I'm on the show, and this season I'm going to do the live audition.
Whoa, come on. You know, Jamaicans doing great things.
Right. I know everywhere, right?
Yes.
So
And-
what's that journey been like for you?
Well, actually, I'm actually nervous because I'm performing for a lot of people. Even though I perform for a lot of people, like in Jamaica and all over, I'm really nervous because that's millions of people, and
Yeah. But the
I'm
thing
already-
about it is we will be rooting for you.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
you know, on
definitely.
Daytime Live, we're going to be following
Definitely.
you. We're going to be, you know, like Dalton, we got you, man. We'll be
Yeah,
here
man.
for that.
And I mean, do you have plans in terms of like successive lineups? Because once you go through to America's Got Talent, you have to come with some new things. You have things in mind that you start thinking about already.
Yeah.
You have,
And other props.
yeah, I can actually fit into a suitcase. Yeah, so I'm like working on new stuff right now.
Right.
I'm working on a lot of stuff.
Right.
So every day I make a routine in my head, and I keep
Yeah.
working on it. But I'm not releasing them as yet
No,
because
That's
I'm
right.
saving them for the show.
because you don't want to give them any kind of, you know, I am intrigued. How can I find you? How can I find you on social media?
Well, you can find me Elastic Man JA. That's ELASTICMANJA.
Okay.
And you can find me on Facebook, the same thing, ELAS STICMANJA. Or you could just type it on Google and pop up.
The man, the search engine up because once you type in and then we see him. Come on, another big round of applause because this is
Yeah.
amazing. And of course, as we said before, we'll definitely be rooting for you.
Yeah, so can I do a quick shout out, please?
Sure.
Alright,
Yes.
I want to big up my friend JB the Magician, big up my sister Chin, big up Fry Irish, my bro, big up Dottie Berry in the crowd.
Hey. Hey.
I want to big up everybody that supports me.
All
Yeah, man,
right, that's
great.
awesome. Yeah, man, big ups.
Well, big ups to everybody for tuning in today. Of course, because you know we love the people them. And I mean you can catch us today's which day of the week? The coffee I got
Today's
coffee
Friday.
very late. It's Friday.
It's Friday, so
So-
you can catch us back on Tuesday
Yes.
with much more buzz, chat, vibe, mix, performances. Everything is going to be amazing. Join us on Tuesday. Have a good weekend. Walk good. Yes, big up yourself.
Run the music.
Maybe two people can like go through. All right. You got